Educator. I'm Sumati here. Today we are going to see the IAS interview questions, and these are the questions usually you might be facing in IAS interview. So first and foremost question you have to be prepared is tell us briefly about yourself, and you have to be tell about yourself starting with your name, educational qualifications and work experience. What are the subjects that you have studied, the schooling, and where did you do your graduations, what was your percentage, those stuffs with your hobbies and all you have to include and tell about yourself. And second thing is tell about your hometown. Let's say that M belongs to Bangalore, so you have to tell about the Bangalore. Bangalore is a metropolitan city and it is called as a garden city too. So you can tell about your city in brief, where it is situated and what is its importance and all. That will be fetching your marks. And what is the meaning of your name, first name and surname. So you should be knowing your name's meaning. That is also is very very important. And tell us about your family. You have to start with your father's name and mother's name, and the siblings of your family, and what your father does and mother does, and your family background you have to tell. So with that, and we'll move on to another question. Which subject did you study in your during your schooling or graduation? So you have to say which subject that is very most famous, or your favorite subject, and you have to give relevant explanations in regards to your administrations. And next comes, which subject was your favorite, last favorite and least favorite. So which subjects you study. Let's say that I am more interested in public administration and history and all. So why I'm interested in that particular subject, I have to give a brief explanations. And the least favorite is which I'm not at all interested, that information also you have to give. And why did you choose XYZ school or college, which school you studied. You have to say that which school you sometimes by default your parents would have made you to join that school. In that case you can say straightforward that no, I haven't chose my school. But in terms of colleges, you would have had a choice of choosing the colleges. That you have to tell. What kind of project did you do during your school or graduation or PG? Where we all tend to do a lot of projects in our college and schools. So you have to tell which were your favorite projects and how it was impacted your life and all. You have to give a brief information about your projects too. Would you call yourself an average student? Why? Sometimes we may think that average students are not achieving. These days you can see they have a more understanding capacity. They may be slow but they are steady. So you can tell that where you went average students and why you were average. Those informations you have give. And interview questions related to what are your today headlines, current affairs. You have to be updated towards the current affairs. In terms of Hindu newspaper or Chronicles, you have to go through day to day newspaper, which is hot topics. You have to be thoroughly prepared with those topics. And what are today's headlines that you have to be prepared with. Few important issues in news about India or your state or your hometown in the last few months. So most of the time I would suggest please avoid all the political and criminal cases. But if it is connected to social issue or women safety, then you can identify such questions. But most of the times IAS interview panel will never ask you any negative questions in terms of politics and all. So you can avoid such things, and which is connected to our administration or your related to women empowerment, you can definitely identify such things. And IAS interview questions on work profile. So you have to thoroughly prepare with your work experience. Where did you work, why did you choose such profile, those informations you have to give. Next is what and where your role and responsibility at your job. So current job also you have to explain why did you choose your career in that particular category, and in detail you have to explain about your job. If you are a software engineer, if you're a doctor, if you're any other profile, so why did you choose that job, and why are you planning to quit? That also becomes a question. So why do you want to become an IPS, IAS or IFS officer? That also you have to give an explanations that you wanted to serve for the people, serve for the country, and you wanted to understand what is IAS roles and responsibilities, what are the perks that they are enjoying. These you can explain. I hope this class would be helpful for you. Do like my channel and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.